Hello guys, I'm gonna teach you that how I made a doorbell. Satisfying, right? We'll just open the door like that. So if you build a house, you should place a button near it but not close. And then break the block under the button and put redstone. And then from it, above it, you should place a redstone repeater and put 2 redstones and then put another repeater and press it until it reaches the end and 1 redstone, and then dig another block 2 times and the beside it but not in the middle. You should dig it like exactly, and then place gold blocks and then note blocks. Press the first note block over here 5 times and the other one here 9. So cover it all up and press your little button, and there, it's how it works. Thank you everyone.